it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Masicka, yeah, man, the genocide boss, he cock himself with Overdose. I'm guessing it's a girl song. So I'm going to jump in the one and answer with the GSA. I never expect we get a song from Masicka today. We just get mute a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to jump in the one and see what I go. Let's go. Masicka, Overdose. Let's go. Just that grung. Rough night last night. What go on? She ain't crazy. Big up. Can't get enough of your love. You do something to me, girl. I just skips a while ago. What that? Ladies, ready again. Right. Can't get enough of your love. What a glitch there. Why is that glitching in the video though? Can't get enough of your love. You do something to me, girl. I love for fuck you. Give me more. Can't get enough of your love. Truly, just tell me what kind of drug you be. What kind of drug you be? You're addictive. Yeah. All your clothes, bring around the world, short to shots. Travel with you. Me and you forever get the start close. Sexy fully dressed, sexy without the clothes. Phones make me take your pick and you supposed to pause. Bobo class. Wait a man. Wait. Big up the girls them all sexy when them fully dressed and sexy when them never on the clothes. Same way. Love or no? Masicka with something for the girl them. Overdose. I'm back glad. Hey! Overdose. Yeah. Give me more. Can't get enough of your love. Truly, just tell me what kind of drug you be. What kind of drug you be, mama? Give me more. With you clean your fuck. Overdose. Yeah. All your clothes, bring around the world, short to shots. Support your goals. Me and you forever get the start close. Sexy fully dressed, sexy without the clothes. Phones make me take your pick and you supposed to pause. I'm a trophy, I'm in love with trophy. Most bad and bougie, me rich and bossy down. Me I go make your mind tell you don't count me out. That's me to chest and you me talk and you float me bout. Give me so don't joke it out. You take a one of a kind fuck for all the goat. You take a one of a kind fuck for all the goat, for all the rammy. It take a one of a kind fuck for all the greatest of all time. That's what I call him say, right? That's all. So don't joke it out. It take a one of a kind fuck for all the gold. Yo, Masicka clever, you know. It's like if him did just say for all the gold right there, so it would make him half beat. So him say for all the go. Listen again. It did have to do something to catch back the rhythm right there. So don't joke it out. You take a one of a kind for all the gold. For all the gold. If him say for all the gold, to the half key. Catch back the key right there, so we did. Bad J. Can't get enough of your love. You do something to me, girl. I love for fuck you. Give me more. Can't get enough of your love. Truly, just tell me what kind of drug you be. What kind of drug you be, mama? Give me more. Genocide fans, them on there. Overdose. Put up on the backers, cock it up and the knockers. She love to follow shatters, yeah, we got a lot of commas. Yeah. Bad bitch, you me love. Buckler, she love to follow shatters, we have a lot of commas. She love to follow shatters, we have a lot of commas. When I say she love to follow bad man, shatters. We have a lot of money. Come on.
Come on.
Give me more. Overdose. Put up on the backers, cock it up and the knockers. She love it for the shatters, we got a lot of commas. Bad bitch, and you me loving no one, not another. Not another, that pussy, they get a lot of honor.
Not another, that pussy, they get a lot of honor. Yo, the whole video in a slow motion, but it's bad. Everything in a slow motion. Bad bitch, and you me loving no one, not another. Not another, that pussy, they get a lot of honor. Love it when you cry, and girl you bother. Ride it like a bike, take every dollar. Take your time, just can't take the drama. Take your time, we can't take the drama, hear that?
Overdose.
I'm guessing this is one from the new album, right? Where my work pan?
Can't get enough when you love you. Do something to me, girl, I love for fuck you. Give me more.
Overdose.
Can't get enough when you love. Truly, just tell me what kind of drug you be. Give me more. Overdose.
Bad. Shane, big up yourself, my Jane. Mom's hot in that video too. Big up Mom's in that video. Yo, this video clean, bro. Like, this is Masicka. What you expect, bro? Quality over quantity. That Masicka work with. Quality music, quality videos, quality production over one bag of production and fly out every day. Brrr, in the on that. And a Masicka style that. This bad. Big up the ladies in the video. Well, the ladies in the video, the girl in the video. Big up yourself. She ain't creative, big up herself. Like me say, the video smooth, video clean, like everything. Bro, everything connect. Everything connect. I'm Masicka we are talking about, bro. Like, come on, dog. Like, come on, bro. The young Jenna we are talking about, fam. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section, though. And I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
I've got a call to watching a boss coming to present for Jamaica Worst Gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.